What if one classic Camaro could outrun modern muscle while looking absolutely timeless? This $169,000 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod is about to prove it. The legend of the first-generation Camaro has never faded. But every once in a while, a build comes along that completely redefines what a classic American muscle car can be. This isn't just another restored Camaro. This is a professionally built frame-off 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod worth an impressive $169,900, combining iconic 1960s styling with modern Chevrolet performance, reliability, and luxury. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this machine was built with one goal in mind: to create the ultimate driving experience without sacrificing the timeless beauty that made the Camaro a legend. Every curve of the body tells a story of American automotive history. The aggressive front grille, muscular fenders, long sculpted hood, and perfectly proportioned fastback profile instantly remind enthusiasts why the 1968 Camaro remains one of the most desirable classic muscle cars ever built. Yet beneath that vintage exterior lies an entirely different beast waiting to be unleashed. This Camaro underwent a complete frame-off build, one of the most respected forms of restoration in the collector car world. That means the car was completely disassembled down to its bare chassis before being rebuilt with meticulous attention to detail. Every component was either restored, upgraded, or replaced, ensuring that the finished product performs as beautifully as it looks. It's not simply restored, it's reimagined for modern roads. Lift the hood and you'll discover the heart of this incredible machine, a GM LS3 6. 2-liter V8 engine. This legendary power plant has become the gold standard for high-end Restomods thanks to its incredible combination of power, reliability, and efficiency. Producing well over 430 horsepower in factory form, the LS3 transforms this classic Camaro into a true modern performance car. The crisp throttle response, smooth fuel injection, and unmistakable V8 soundtrack create an unforgettable driving experience every time the ignition comes to life. Unlike many automatic Restomods, this Camaro features a desirable 6-speed manual transmission. Every shift connects the driver directly with the engine, making each acceleration feel personal and exciting. Whether you're cruising through city streets or stretching its legs on the open highway, rowing through all 6 gears reminds you why manual transmissions remain the favorite choice of true driving enthusiasts. Power means nothing without control, and that's where the legendary 12-bolt Posi-Traction rear end comes into play. Built to handle serious horsepower, this proven differential ensures that power is delivered effectively to both rear wheels. Hard launches become more stable, corner exits become more confident, and every press of the accelerator delivers controlled performance instead of wasted wheel spin. Stopping this muscle machine is equally impressive thanks to a complete Wilwood performance braking system. Known throughout the automotive world for engineering some of the finest high-performance brakes available, Wilwood provides exceptional stopping power with excellent pedal feel. Whether driving through city traffic or slowing down from highway speeds, the braking performance inspires complete confidence. Driving comfort hasn't been overlooked either. Modern power steering transforms what was once heavy steering into smooth, effortless control. Tight parking spaces become easy, and long highway cruises feel relaxed instead of exhausting. Combined with power brakes, this Camaro delivers an experience that feels remarkably modern despite its classic appearance. One feature that dramatically improves everyday usability is the addition of modern air conditioning. Classic muscle cars were never famous for keeping their occupants comfortable during hot summer drives, but this Camaro changes that completely. Whether attending a weekend car show or enjoying a long-distance road trip, the cabin stays cool and enjoyable regardless of the outside temperature. The beauty of a professionally built Restomod lies in its balance. It respects the heritage of the original Camaro while eliminating many of the compromises that came with owning a classic car. The dependable fuel-injected LS3 engine starts instantly, rides smoothly, and provides modern reliability that owners can trust every time they turn the key. Visually, this Camaro commands attention wherever it goes. The perfectly restored body panels, aggressive stance, gleaming chrome details, and unmistakable first-generation styling create a presence few vehicles can match. It captures the raw emotion of late 1960s American muscle while delivering the refinement expected from a premium custom build. Imagine pulling into a local cars and coffee event. Before the engine even shuts off, people begin gathering around. Some admire the flawless restoration, others recognize the unmistakable sound of the LS3 V8. Enthusiasts peek underneath, appreciating the frame-off craftsmanship, while photographers capture every angle. This isn't simply transportation, it's rolling automotive artwork. At a price of $169,900, this Camaro represents far more than horsepower alone. Represents thousands of hours of craftsmanship, engineering, fabrication, restoration, and attention to detail. Every upgraded component works together to create a machine that offers classic styling with modern confidence. This is exactly why high-end Restomods continue growing in popularity among collectors. They provide the emotional appeal of vintage muscle while eliminating many of the headaches associated with 50-year-old mechanical systems. You enjoy the look, the sound, the heritage, and the excitement without constantly worrying about reliability. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod stands as proof that legends never truly disappear, they simply evolve. With its frame-off construction, powerful LS3.6. 2-liter V8, engaging 6-speed manual transmission, durable 12-bolt Posi rear end, Wilwood performance brakes, power steering, power brakes, and modern air conditioning. This build perfectly bridges the gap between yesterday's icon and today's performance machine. If you're passionate about classic American muscle cars, this Camaro delivers everything you could ask for. It looks like a legend, sounds like a race car, drives like a modern performance coupe, and carries the kind of craftsmanship worthy of its $169,900 price tag. It's not just a restored Camaro, it's the ultimate expression of what a first-generation Camaro can become. If you enjoyed seeing this incredible 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more amazing classic and Restomod muscle cars, and let us know in the comments, would you keep this Camaro exactly as it is, or would you build it differently? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.